Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode. In this episode, we have another exercise. The name of the exercise is summing the digits of an integer. So write a program that inputs one 4-digit number, sums each of the individual digits and displays the result. So there is a hint for you: use division and remainder operator. For example, if the input is 3581, the output should be 17. Explanation: 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 17. Try to pause the video and solve the problem. If you weren't able to solve the problem, then come back to the video and watch how I did it. Welcome back, and let's go and solve this problem. So here I've created an integer type variable, which the name of the variable is 4-digit number. I have initially initialized it to 0. Now I'm prompting the user to enter a 4-digit number, and I'm going to store that 4-digit number using scanf in this variable 4-digit number. Let's go and continue. Here I have created another variable sam, which will store the sum of the digits of this number, this 4-digit number. So we will use this variable to store the sum of the 4-digit number, and initially it's initialized to 0. Let's go and continue. So here the logic of the program starts. To find the sum of the 4-digit number, I'm going to divide this 4-digit number into 10 and get the remainder. So how it works: for example, if that number is 4, 5, 6, 7, if I mode it with 10, I get the last digit, which is going to be 7. And I'm going to add this number with Sam. So finally Sam gets, the initial value of Sam was 0, now it gets a 7, for example, and now the new value of Sam is going to be 7. Now I will bring some changes to the 4-digit number. What I will do is that I will divide the 4-digit number by 10. For example, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go and do it once again. 4, 5, 6, 7. And if I divide it by 10, you can see that there will be a floating point value. But because we are using the integer variable type, this 0.7 will not be created, and the 3 remaining numbers will stay in the number, and the last part will be omitted because the type of this variable is integer. And that's how the logic of the program works. So now that we have in the 4-digit number 4, 5, 6 and the 7 was omitted, now if I divide it by 10 and get the remainder, let's go and do that. Divide it by 10 and get the remainder using mode. Now I get another digit, which is going to be 6, and I'm going to store that 6 in Sam. So I'm going to copy this statement once again, and once again I'm going to remove this 6 by doing what? We have 4, 5, 6. If I divide it by 10, divide by 10, now you can see that I have 4, 5. The 6 is the floating point, and because we are not storing the floating point, I will lose the last digit, and the new value of the 4-digit number is going to be 45, 2 digits remaining. And you can see that I have done this for 2 digits of this number, 2 times the same operations. If I copy these operations once again, now this will add the third integer to the sum and we'll get rid of the third digit, and once again on the last operation we'll add the fourth digit of this 4-digit number into sum and we'll get rid of its final value. To be honest, this last part is not even necessary. Now let's go and print our result. Let's go and save this program, and let's go and execute it. Enter a 4-digit number. For example, I will enter 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see that the result is 22. 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 6 is 15, plus 7 is 22. And that's it for this episode. See you in the next one.